I'm going to show you a really quick and easy way to figure out the rise of your step. I'll make another video on how to calculate and what determines your run of your step. But check with your building codes to see what your minimums and maximums are for your rises and runs. But a real easy way to figure your rise of each step is first you're going to need the height from one floor to the next floor. So this is your first floor, this is your second floor. From the top down to there, you're going to need the measurement. Now, let's say that measurement is 103 and 1/4. I got to convert this quarter into a decimal. So 1 divided by 4 equals 0.25. So I'm going to come over to my calculator. I got 103.25. I'm going to start off with 7. I always start with 7 because 7 is a universal number. So I'm going to divide that by 7 equals, well, I don't have an even number of steps. I got 14.75 steps. Can't have a 7.5 step. So I can either now divide my 103.25 by 15 or 14. On this one, I'm going to divide it by 14 and see what I get. So 103.25 divided by 14 steps equals 7.375. Okay, that's actually pretty comfortable. That's a pretty comfortable step. So I'm going to write that down, 7.375. Now I need this to be a fraction for my tape measure because unfortunately my tape measure doesn't show me decimals. So I'm going to take that up here. I'm going to go with my 0.375. And I'm going to multiply that by 32 to get down to 30 seconds of an inch. So times 32 equals 12. So I got 12 30 seconds. So let's see what happens if I divide that by 2 to a 1/16 of an inch. Divided by 2 equals 6. So I got 7 and 6/16. So that's a good measurement for a stair. Now, let's go the other way. Let's do 15. So we got 103.25 divided by 15 steps. Okay? Equals, well, we got 688. Let's round that up to the closest thousands. We got 80333. 8033. Okay, so we're going to take that. So we're going to take my 8, clear. So 0.8033, and we're going to multiply that by 30 seconds of an inch again, equals, we got 25 30 seconds of an inch. Let's see what that is in 16ths. Let's divide that by 2 equals 12 13/16. There we go. I'm rounding up. See, I'm above 5. I'm 5 or over on my 10th thou. So I'm going to round it up. So I've got 13/16. So I've got 6 and 13/16 for my rise at 15 steps times 15 steps. So there you go. Quick and simple way. Start with 7. Divide your total rise by 7, and then whatever it's closest to. So if it say like I showed you there, it came up with 14.75. You can't have a quarter. You can't have 3/4 of a stair. So now we can either go 15 steps or 14 steps. We put our overall rise again, divide that by either 15 or 14, and then we convert that decimal point to the closest fraction of 30 seconds or a 1/16 of an inch. And that's what you'll cut your steps at.